Okay, so this is just a quick clip. I was walking through the fields and I looked up and I saw this cloud and I immediately thought of Troy. I don't know why. It just a feeling just came to me. And I was thinking, well, maybe that's her. It's an angel in the sky. Watching out over. Love you, babe. See you every day. I think there's something up here. Right there. I've been seeing some trippy clouds lately.